Hello, welcome back to Roaming the World with you. Today is the day after Valentine's Day, and we're having a little staycation in New York. We're visiting a few black-owned businesses. Well, our first stop is Antilles Cafe, and they have a plantain brulee latte and a saltfish banh mi, and we just had it this morning, and it is very good. I highly recommend it. Stop by. The plantain brulee, I think it tastes like a regular brulee latte, but with some plantain flavor, but it's good. I think it's just a good coffee in general.
We are making our way to our second stop of our little DIY black-owned tour, and it's for doubles. I have been craving doubles for weeks now, and I finally decided, enough is enough. We got to get some doubles. And the first spot we was going to go to is actually closed on Sunday, but I found another spot over here on Washington Ave that had really good reviews. So hopefully we can get doubles and it'll be worth it. And I feel like we may have to eat it in the car, or at least maybe we'll eat it outside the car because doubles are a little bit messy. I got the goods. I got, what did I get? Saltfish doubles and regular doubles. With all three sauces. I said light on the pepper sauce. And then I got an apple drink. First off, I don't want to get this anywhere on my clothes, so I don't know who got what. This looks regular, I think. I'm gonna take the top off. That's saltfish. You're gonna take the, ready? One, thumbnail, 1, 2, 3. Sorry in advance if it's spicy, Sean, because I didn't ask for a lot of spice. Okay. Remember he said you take a piece of this.
This looks like a sandwich already. It looks like you could just eat it like a sandwich.
And then you dip it in. It's still as good as I remember. It's not as good, I think.
This one's sweet.
There's a tamarind. Remember tamarind? Which? Oh wow. You ate all the. I don't have any bread left. I think I like this one more. Are we switching back again?
Yeah.
Why? Because you like that one more?
There's not that much left in yours. Yeah. Mine's got so much more meat.
Because I don't have meat. You got saltfish.
I said, I feel like they wouldn't do this in Trinidad.
Do what?
Make a saltfish bake.
I don't know.
I mean, a saltfish
double. I don't know. I don't know if I saw it on the menu.
Because there's always like just plain doubles. Maybe there's like some modifiers, but I don't think they would try something like this.
Well, they also had goat doubles in that place. If you're from Trinidad and Tobago, comment below. Do you have saltfish doubles, goat doubles, chicken doubles? Like, is that a thing? Or have we Americanized doubles?
Because, yeah, we got our food ordered for us. So we didn't even... Well, you did order at that one place.
Yeah, when we were in Trinidad, I ordered it. But I don't think there were options. I think it was just... It was doubles, and then the options was the sauce.
Yeah.
So, that's a good question, right? Did we Americanize doubles, or did we just not have doubles with... Did we just not have them in Trinidad and Tobago with goat and stuff like that? Is that a thing? All I know is this is
we know y'all West Indians are watching.
I guess that's a compliment.
Look.
I will say it was better there on the island. Oh, if you're from Trinidad and Tobago and you live in New York, or you have family friends in New York, and you know the best doubles place to get authentic, taste like from the island doubles or Trinidadian food, please let us know. We'll go, and we'll tell you that we went. We'll post on our Instagram. Drop your recommendations, or you want to invite us to your house.
Everyone's gonna be like, you don't do doubles like that.
What accent was that? Y'all about to roast him in the comments. What accent was that?
A little bit of Jamaican, a little bit of Bajan.
Listen, y'all.
You can't do doubles like that.
We're gonna leave this in the video.
You can't do doubles like that.
They're gonna drag you.
I can't understand. No.
What?
I can't do it. Told you I can't do it.
Bajans, come in the comments. And I know the first person who should be in the comments making fun of him is his mama. And maybe his cousin, Solemn.
I am making the sport.
What? All done. We're in Bed-Stuy now to head to Peace and Riot, which I'm excited about. It's been on my list for a while, but I'm never over here. So let's go.
Dog. Oh, cat dog.
One thing I love about Bed-Stuy is that you can almost walk in any direction and you'll find another black-owned business. So we're in front of Bedvine Wines, and even though we don't need wine, I do love wine. So let's see.
We just wrapped up at Bedvine. We've got this rosé wine, and we got a whiskey right here. Right, and this one was made in Brooklyn, so pretty cool. Actually, I think the other was also made in Brooklyn. It was a cool place. The guy was very nice in there. It's very chill. I recommend it. As far as liquor store goes, it was a really cool liquor store. I can't believe I'm across the street all the time and I never go in here. Our next stop was Make Manifest, which is like a cafe that sells vegan food, but it also sells clothing and many other items. It's of course black owned and black run. After that, we made our way to Gladys Books and Wine. If you know Christina, you know that she loves books and also wine. So we got some tea and we actually hung out down in the basement, and we were able to read some books that we did buy. We did not buy them. Christina even also did some journaling. It was a good relaxing space with like light music.
What'd you choose?
The City We Became. I chose it because it's kind of like right up my alley. It's about New York, but it's also science fiction. And there's 5 people who represent each borough. So one represents Manhattan, Brooklyn, the Bronx.
Okay.
The other one.
We have made it to our hotel. We're staying at the Beekman in Fidei. It is very nice. I'm very excited to be here. Okay, we're here. Want to eat food.
Welcome to our room at the Beekman. Come on in. This is like a really, it's New York, so it's like an older building, but they've clearly like remodeled it and made it really nice. We have like these barn doors for the bathroom. I always thought these were cool. Let's go through each room. Let's start with the bathroom because I feel like we always end with the bathroom. All right, so we've got nice tile in here. Obviously, all of your normal things that you'll see in here, but I like it. I like the way this is designed. Nice big shower. Probably fit 2 people in here. The mirror's nothing crazy. You know, a lot of mirrors will have like that like fancy light around the rim. But I mean, this is fine, but it's not like, it's not like a total social media, Instagram bathroom. We got a nice big mirror over here too. So if you need to look at yourself real good, you got this one too. Oh, we got this closet.
It's an armoire.
It's an armoire. Oh, and they got a steamer here, so we could use that. Umbrella, safe, all of the good things that you normally get. And I actually even like the floors. The floors are nice. Of course, we have your TV here. That's actually video of the hotel right now. And I think, California king-size bed here. And a nice little bench to sit and read if you like. Oh, and we have a bar cart with things that we'll probably get charged for if we take any of. But there's M&Ms, Kind bars, water, alcohol, all the things you can possibly want. There's more snacks, and then a mini fridge. Oh yeah. That's pretty much it. Yeah, you have a little book nook that you could read over here.
A book nook? You mean a reading nook?
And it's not a crazy big room, and our view is of another building, but it's not too bad. I like it. has a little bit of charm. Let's unpack and eat because we're tired. So the mini bar menu is $8 for a water, a small water. A large water is $11. Sparkling water, $8. And soda, $8 in general. Beer and seltzer, $10. Wine, $15 or $65.
How big is the wine?
Depending
Is
on-
it that little bottle right there?
Yeah, I think it's the...
Well, we bought our own wine.
There's the sparkling wine in there too. Potato chips and pretzels, $6. That'd be $1. The granola bar is $7.
The chips,
crazy.
but Sean, the chips at the Japanese store we just went to was $8. So
That's crazy. But this is a little tiny baby bag.
okay.
Yeah, okay, here we go. For the robe, it's $150.
If we buy the robe.
Yeah.
Okay, we're not
And
taking
the
the robe.
scented candle is $75. Where is that? I think it's that. $50 for the body wash, $50 for the conditioner, $50 for the shampoo. Wow. The custom moleskin, $35 for you. $20 dry shampoo. Wow.
Oh, that notebook?
Yeah. The
Ooh.
moleskin,
Okay,
yeah.
listen, let me get that.
Don't just take things to the minibar. If you learn anything from these videos, don't just take things to the minibar.
We have credit though.
Well, we ain't gonna use it on that.
We had a little break and now we're gonna go tour the hotel and see what we can find. I don't think there's much, it's not like it's a resort, but I did see that there's a gym and it's across 2 floors, so there's that. And there's like 3 or 4 restaurants here. We are eating at one tonight and then we'll have breakfast at another one tomorrow. But let's see what else there is. We're right outside our room and this is what makes this so pretty. Hold on. Look at this. And then it goes, check out the ceiling. And then let's go down. Go down, 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 down. Look at that. Big gym, and it's on 2 floors, so we gotta go downstairs. Does this remind you of The Shining?
Wait, that's not the Shining music. That's Twilight Zone. Alright, we're gonna attempt to get on the roof. It's probably not gonna work. Coming from the 9th floor to the roof. And, okay, no, these are the penthouse rooms.
Yeah, I think that's it. We thought there was a rooftop, but there's not. But there is a penthouse here. Maybe one day we will stay here.
That's it for our quick little hotel tour for now. We're gonna go back down and have dinner in a bit. Right now we're gonna get ready for dinner. But what I wanna say about the hotel is that I love the little finishes. The elevator has some nice detail on it. There's like dials and everything looks like kind of old fashioned, but still like new and clean. So I enjoy that. The hallways do remind us of The Shining, but overall, I think it's a pretty nice hotel. And the gym is also very nice. Yes, the gym is big enough. Nobody was really in there except for like one person doing cardio. That also looks like it'd be a good gym. They had a pull down machine. I would use that. There's enough things to do. I think that you can get a good workout in if you need to. I don't think we need to because we're only here for 12, 15 hours maybe. We're gonna get ready and we'll see you in a bit.
Forgot what foie gras tastes like. I thought, okay. Oh, they already cut it up for me, so that's nice. Charles, it's really good.
We just finished up breakfast. We are leaving the hotel, getting ready to go back to our normal lives. But breakfast was pretty good. I think the service was pretty average. Yeah, it's fine. But I like this hotel. I love the way this is like decorated, the details. And this atrium is pretty.
That's the end of our short little 24-hour Valentine's Day staycation in New York City. Thank you for watching. And if you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.